I'm Tracy Franzen and this is Holly Franzen, and we're the Franzen team with Engel & Volker's First Coast. Welcome to our newest lakefront listing at 2440 Plainfield Avenue in Orange Park, Florida. This home boasts over 3,500 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and it sits on 1.8 acres on Doctor's Lake. If you like the feel of a mountain home, but prefer the temperatures and the water activities of Florida, then this home could be a perfect fit for you.
This house has so many handcrafted, beautiful details. Let's go inside and take a look.